What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have another price prediction, price update on this cryptocurrency called Coti. So this crypto has been performing absolutely insane over the last couple of days, not just 24 hours. Yes, it has gained 15% in the last 24 hours itself, making it just under 38 cents. So what I'm going to be doing today is looking at what potential this crypto has for the rest of the year, bearing in mind we just about got a week left. So how far can it go? How high or how low can it go? And also going into 2022, is Coti a must-have crypto? A lot of people have been asking me, should I invest into it right now? I want to go into 2022 with the top performing cryptos. So is this one of them, or should I sell it off right now? It has gone up in value. Should I sell it off and take my profit out, so on and so on? So I'm going to try and give you guys my take on that, my predictions, and what I would do with my Coti as well. And again, if you guys have any further questions on this crypto, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be answering them in my next Coti update. But before I get into all of that, I just want to let you guys know this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, and anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I would not be responsible for. So as you can see, Coti is one of the top gainers, or the fourth top gainer in the last 24 hours, gaining just about 13%. And again, if you're new to the channel and have not subscribed, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 40,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which will be announced on my Instagram page. So again, to take part in the giveaway, all you need to do is subscribe to the channel, and for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So as you can see, it's not even over the last 24 hours that it gained that much value. It was probably very early this morning, so about the last, let's say 16 to 17 hours as I'm recording this video, did peak all the way up to 46 cents, dropped back down to 41, back up, and currently slowly going back down. Over the week, 16% up. As you can see, it was fluctuating. It did take a little bit of a dip earlier in the week, and then fluctuated at about 30 to 31 cents, and then suddenly boom, a huge price increase. And over the month it is down 8%. As you can see, consistent dips in value, but most of the time we can see it fluctuates here and there. So we got the market cap of $325.8 million, the volume in the last 24 hours $311.3 million, and we got a massive 69% buy against 31% sell, meaning we got a lot more people investing into the crypto, buying it. Obviously, there was a lot of hype around it over the last 24 hours, so a lot more people have been investing into it and stacking it up. But we still got a minority of people, 31%, selling their crypto, probably taking out the profits to reinvest into different cryptos, or simply just to reinvest into Coti when it does take a dip. So going into the CoinMarketCap website, we can see here that the trading volume has gone up by a massive 670% in the last 24 hours, meaning a lot more people have been investing it, trading into it as well. So obviously, because it's gone up by a huge amount, there's been a lot of hype around it, a lot of people trading it, and as we saw on the previous screen, we got more people investing into it rather than selling it. So let's get straight into the price prediction and see what the future holds for Coti. So at the bottom here, I've got the MACD indicator, which is what I'm going to be using to do the price prediction. And at the top here, we've got the candlestick pattern chart showing us how Coti has been performing, which was not very good for the past couple of weeks here, but at the moment it is slowly starting to go back up in value. So what I'm going to do is zoom in into the 30-minute chart, and again, this is mainly for the short-term traders who are into crypto for the short term, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. So zooming in here, it's not looking too great. We've got the blue line and the orange line looking bearish, going in a negative direction, meaning drops in value are expected. Just like what's been happening over the last couple of hours, it has been dipping in value. And guys, I've always said this, but whenever you see a cryptocurrency go up in value, a very high amount, very high percentage increase in a short amount of time, it has to come back down, and that is exactly what's going on right now. It's going through a price correction period, meaning the market's like, okay, this is overvalued at the moment, it has to come back down in value, and that's what's happening, and it is expected to dip a little bit more over the next couple of hours. So let's say towards the end of the day, early tomorrow, we should expect it to slightly drop, probably hitting about, not as far as 34, but probably 35 to 36 cents by the end of the day today. Or it could be worse, it could be better, but these are my predictions as of now. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we expect? Still not looking too great. We've got the blue line and the orange line looking bearish, going in a negative trend, meaning over the next couple of days, it looks like it is going to keep dropping in value, keep going down. And again, that doesn't mean that it's going to completely have a huge fall or huge price drop or anything like that. That's not what I mean. What I mean is, do expect peaks in between, do expect dips, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the negative side rather than the positive side. So the overall outcome seems to be not too great. Again, obviously with Christmas around the corner, obviously the UK has not gone into a lockdown yet, has not had any restrictions tightened or anything like that, but I'm pretty sure over the next couple of days, or even next probably week and a half, there's going to be more introduction on restrictions and probably a lockdown as well, and depending on all of that stuff, that is going to affect the whole crypto market in a negative way, just like it did at the start of December. We all saw the huge drop that took place, and this may carry on for the next couple of days, next couple of weeks, depending on what the world does about the new COVID variant. Obviously is getting worse day by day, and it's going to have a major effect, not just on Coti. I'm talking about the whole crypto market and the whole stock market, and a lot of investments, so on and so on, will get affected. But that could only mean one thing, guys: buying the dip. So when it does take a dip, I will be buying it. And if you guys want to find out what cryptos I'm buying and selling, all you need to do is click on the link in the description box down below to join my Telegram group chat, which is currently on offer for $14.99. However, that is only for the first 100 members, and more than 80% of the spaces have already gone. So make sure you're quick if you guys want to join, and use discount code DEC10 for 50% off to make it $14.99. And also, before you join, make sure you got Telegram installed on your phone so that I can add you to the group chat. And again, just to make it clear, what I'm going to be doing is showing you guys what cryptos I'm buying and what cryptos I'm selling. However, I don't do that on a regular basis. I'm a long-term investor. Whenever I see a very good opportunity to buy cryptos, I buy them, and whenever I see the opportunity to sell them, I sell them. So yeah, any questions or any things that you guys want to ask regarding this, DM me on Instagram, and I'll be happy to answer your questions. Anyway, back to Coti. So I'm going to move on to the daily chart now. Next couple of weeks, what can we expect? Now we're looking much more bullish, much more positive than the previous two charts that we saw, and this is the reason why I'm into crypto for the long term rather than the short term, guys. As long as you hold on to it, most cryptos are likely not to let you down. And again, I'm not holding on to it for the next few days or next few weeks or even next few months, but I'm holding on to crypto for the next couple of years, expecting huge returns, and that is exactly what we're seeing here. Price increases are expected. As you can see, the blue line and the orange line are going in a bullish direction, meaning increases in value are expected hopefully by mid-January to late January, and even after that, the months coming into 2022, hopefully we see some huge numbers, not just on Coti, but whatever cryptos we have invested into, and just the whole crypto market in general. But yeah, that is pretty much it, guys, for today's video. Just a quick price update, price prediction on Coti. Let me know your end of year prediction for this crypto. I want to see how many of you guys are bullish on it and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. So comment down below your end of year prediction. But yeah, that is pretty much it, guys. I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form. A huge shout out and a huge thank you to all of you guys. Keep supporting and I'll keep giving back, and that is the motive on this channel. And I'll catch all of you in my next crypto update, which will be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.